video. Today's gonna be my nighttime skincare routine. So I do have a full face of makeup on, and what I like to do first is remove everything. So right here I have my rose water cleansing wipes. I'm gonna remove my makeup. And let's speed up this process. Now that I got the majority of the makeup off of my face, let's see how dirty this is. Ugh, gross. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go on to step 2. I'm gonna be using the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I'm gonna be using this to remove excess product that I have on my face. So the cleanser got everything off. My face is still wet because I'm still going to be using more product. Using this a lot for my acne, and it does help me a lot. It cleared out my skin so much. I do have minor breakouts right now, but nothing big. But by tomorrow or the day after, everything should be gone with this. It's the Biore Free Your Pores Charcoal, great for oily skin, charcoal acne cleanser. I feel so much better. That literally refreshes your face so much. Okay, the next product that I'm gonna go on with next is the Tatcha kit. Sorry, it's all wet because I have it on the sink. I'm over here wetting everything. It's a little kit. It comes with step-by-step products that you have to be using. You gotta use them in order. So before I get onto that, I'm gonna dry up my face. Now that I'm all nice and dry, I'm gonna be using the Tatcha Pure One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. So you're gonna do 3 to 5 pumps. And massage this all over your face. Alright, now I'm gonna rinse this all off. Going on to step 2. Step 2 is polished classic rice enzyme powder. This is for normal to dry skin. Mix with water to create foam. Massage on for 15 minutes. So you have to have it you have to have your hands wet and also your face wet. Here it is. It actually foams up, and it does have like a rice type of smell to it. Doesn't bother me at all. Now that it's been around 15 seconds, I'm gonna rinse this off. Never scrape or tug at your face when you're drying it down. Always pat it. You can cause more wrinkles and damage to your skin if you're constantly being rough with it. Okay, so now that it's all dry, I am gonna go on to the next step. Okay, so next step is the Tatcha, the water cream. It's Pore Perfecting Japanese Wild Rose for normal to oily skin. I'm gonna get a dime sized amount onto my hands, my fingers, well. And then I'm gonna rub that onto my face, my neck, and my forehead. Get a little bit more. Now, for the last but not least, this is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. It's for normal to dry skin, and it's pretty much like setting spray kind of, or hydrating spray. I'm gonna spritz some on my face. I don't know if you guys can tell the dewiness. And that completes the 4-step Tatcha kit. If you guys you know, would like to try this, I recommend it. It does help out with your skin a lot. Now, this is a daily routine that you're supposed to be using, but I'm gonna be completely honest. There's days where I just like to stick to something simple, something a little bit quicker. But on the days where I feel more like I really do need a really good cleanse on my face, I will stick to this exact nighttime routine. But what I usually use, like to the everyday basis, is a cleanser, the Biore acne wash, and then for moisturizer I use my Pond's dry skin cream. Now, this is the one that I love to use. It works best for my skin. So this is a night serum. I'm not gonna be applying this right now because I'm not ready to go to bed. But this is what I'm gonna be applying before I go to bed. And it does help out a lot. Once you wake up in the morning, you're gonna see a radiance, a shine on your skin, and it does help out with looking youthful, giving a glowing complexion, and it works great, but it's not recommended to use during the day. So that's gonna be all for my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please, if you see this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Yeah, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Bye.